return of some sledging and confrontational cricket at Lords. Is that something you could employ both here and also going forward to get the best out of your players?
I don't think it's one of those things where we're going to necessarily just go out and start at it. I don't think either team's, really look to do that. I think there's just always going to be a moment in a test series where something does heat up. It's a massive series. There's a lot of pressure on both teams to go out and perform. So, look, the environment when you're out there, obviously there's going to be some moments and some heat showing, and obviously that night when Zach and Ben had to go out just sort of started it off. And look, we had the advantage of bowling last on in a test match to win. So we just threw everything that we possibly could at India, not only with our skills but also with their energy in the field as well.
Harry Brooks said, Brendan McCullum said, you guys have been too nice. Do you agree?
Yeah, I think the potentially, but I guess it was one of those. It was a real nice moment, I think, as a team that when you speak about something like that and then everyone buys into that. As I said, it's not something that we're going to purposely go out and look to start again, because then that will take our focus off what we actually need to do out in the middle. But by no means that we're not going to take a backward step and let any opposition try and be confrontational towards us and not try and give a bit back. I think that goes for most teams, to be honest, anyway. So it's not like we're the only team who does that.